Well, as if I didn't have enough to do, I'm a sucker for finding something and trying to get it working again. So I've got this Mamod. I think it's an S2A, SA2. Yeah, it's the superheated one. The steam comes out, goes underneath, through the burner, then back into the cylinder. I've seen loads of these, you know, what need fixing up. But the reason I went for this one, I've come unstuck, I think, because I didn't realise that the actual plugs are missing completely here and here. From the photos I saw on the internet, I thought it was just the items missing. Didn't realise the actual brass plugs missing, so I'm going to have to get some plugs made up and yeah, solder them in. But the reason I went for this one, it's got a little regulator, so you can vary the speed. I always like to vary the speed, and there's not many Mamods. I don't think you've got a regulator. I know some of them got like a forward and reverse, but it's seized up, bits missing. Yeah, but I still think I'm going to give it a go. Still going to give it a go. It's in the right state. Even look at it. Even this is rusty. Really rusty. The problem with these is everything's riveted down. I don't know about the boiler. I think the boiler might be, yeah, the boiler's screwed down, but the engine is riveted down. So I'm not sure. I don't like. I mean, I've got a rivet gun. I can rivet it, but you'll probably have to do that. Just drill them out and re-rivet it. But yeah, leave it here. Another one on the list, but should no sight glass on these. I know some of them have got like a sight glass. Well, at least that's loose. Yeah, see, there's got a plug there. There's a plug missing there and a plug missing there. Pure daylight in there. Dry as a bone. Well, that's messed up and all. It's got solder on it. Looks like it's got solder on it. It's got something on it. Well, I'll give it a go. Something to tinker with. I like the Mamod logo. I always like that. Yeah, let's get some oil on it. Anyway, this is just like an intro. Most of you guys looking at the big engines are not going to be interested in this, but there might be someone who's you know, just starting restoring these things and want to see how we go about it. And this one is definitely a challenge. I'm going to leave that there, guys, and when I get to the next stage, I'll do another one. I'll do this as a beginner's guide to restoring steam engines, I think, because someone might come across it who wants to see how we do it, and take it from there. All right, cheers, guys.